3, 2, 1.
Which mountain in Australia has 3 peaks? The answer is C, Mount Kosciuszko. The Andes mountain range stretches for about how many kilometers? The answer is D, 9,000. What is the Gini coefficient? The answer is D, a measure of income inequality. We all have learned that you can tell the age of a tree by the number of rings. Who was the first to discover this fact? The answer is D, Leonardo da Vinci. What kind of resource is soil? The answer is C, renewable. In what year was the romantic comedy movie Sweet Home Alabama released in theaters? The answer is B, 2002. Which theory suggests that people have an inherent desire to grow and realize their full potential? The answer is C, humanistic psychology. What process of gradual change is the source of diversity of life on Earth? The answer is C, evolution. Which stimulus causes a responding plant to demonstrate phototropism? The answer is B, direction of light. A person places a dime next to an object on a table. The dime moves toward the object on its own. Which of these is likely to be that object? The answer is D, a piece of carbon steel. I left a statue outside away from water for 100 years. When I come back, it is significantly smaller. Why? The answer is A, the wind. In which year did World War II end? The answer is B, 1945. When mountains are formed, there is an interaction between areas of Earth. Which two will interact and result in the formation of mountains? The answer is D, a asthenosphere and lithosphere. What is the name of the star system that our solar system is a part of? The answer is A, Andromeda. What always comes in threes and plays the same note every time? The answer is A, musical triangle. Which item is used for measuring on a ruler? The answer is C, protractor. Which piece is used for writing or working typically found in an office? The answer is B, desk. What does a fuse or circuit breaker do in an electrical circuit? The answer is C, protects. How many notes constitute an octave? The answer is B, 8. In the body, What essential substance is pumped from the heart into arteries and then eventually into capillaries? The answer is A. Blood. The name of which animal group is also a collective name for software errors? The answer is C. Bugs. The largest country by total area is? The answer is A. Canada. What grows in the spring without any hands or feet? The merriest thing on earth that laughs each day of the year? The answer is D. Rainbow. The common carotid artery gives rise to the external and internal carotid arteries. The external carotid artery remains superficial and gives rise to many arteries of this. The answer is D. Head. What was the name of the wall created by Greg's father to celebrate his achievements in the 2004 movie Meet the Fockers? The answer is A. Wall of Gaylord. Which hormone is responsible for regulating growth and development in humans? The answer is C. Growth hormone. What event took place on May 4, 1970? The answer is C. Kent State shootings. What is the name of Scarlett Johansson's twin brother, also an actor? The answer is C. Hunter. Who informs Hoover that the guys from Delta missed all the questions on their exam in the movie Animal House? The answer is B. The boys from the Jewish house. What never sleeps and lives high up on the mountains? The answer is D. Wind. Who was the creator of Starry Night Over the Rhone? The answer is C. Edvard Munch. The vitamins from the B complex have many functions but generally play most important role in which of these processes of the human body? The answer is C. Cell metabolism. What is a high, round or oval stool with a back and arms often found in a bar? The answer is A. Bar stool. What is the first Beatles album? The answer is A. Please Please Me. Where do orphaned grizzly cubs Grinder and Cool Alive? The answer is B. British Columbia. What is the style of the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona? The answer is C. Modernist. What is weightless, yet its weight breaks the scales? The answer is D. Mirage. Which president never married? The answer is A. James Buchanan. How many years was the show Captain Kangaroo live? The answer is B, 4. What molecule consists of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen? The answer is B, water. Which of these did the old woman not call Princess Buttercup in the film The Princess Bride? The answer is A, garbage. Which organism has blue blood? The answer is A, elephant. What is pressure times area equal to? The answer is B, force. What do you call an Austrian dessert that is a sweet almond paste dipped in chocolate? The answer is C, marzipan. Arteries and veins are 2 of the 3 types of blood vessels. What is the third? The answer is C, capillaries. Which is not one of the official 8 Australian states or territories? The answer is A, Coral Sea Islands Territory. On the game show Press Your Luck, there was one square that was everyone's goal because it offered the largest prize. What was this base called? The answer is C, big bucks. Which pathway carries somatosensory information from the face, head, mouth, and nasal cavity? The answer is A, trigeminal pathway. What DNA segment contains the code for proteins? The answer is A, exon. What is required to break bonds in reactants?